Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right, guys. Today I want to be talking about an indicator that I just discovered not too long ago. I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. So, this is the indicator you are seeing below my chart here. This one here. What is the name? Let me show you the name. It's called AAFLI. That is the name of the indicator. Now you might be wondering, you might be asking, what trading platform is this? This is let's go back, let me show you. It's called Trading View. That is the app you're seeing close to MT4. It's called Trading View. So for you to be able to make use of this indicator, you must download the Trading View app. It also have a web version, so if you're using a laptop, that is still better. Okay, right now this indicator looks very easy, guys. It looks very easy. As you can see, it gives you shows you when to buy and also shows you when to sell. Do you understand? Now looking at it, checking it, you would see that it's actually going in line with prediction. Let me use this trend line as an example. Okay, if you see, just follow the trend line. Look at where it's saying we should buy. That's where the trend line is. This trend line, I hope you can see it as it's moving now. You see, look at where it said we should buy. That is where the trend line is right now. As you can see, it actually bought. It went high. It actually bought. Now look at where it said we should sell. If you see, as you can see, it actually sold. Do you get me right now? It sold. So meaning there is accuracy in this indicator. Do you understand? But guys, I want to bring something to your notice, because I've used this indicator for like 2 days right now, and I must tell you the truth. First of all, before I tell you what I've discovered about this indicator, now I want you to know that indicators are not always 100% accurate. I want to believe by now you should know that indicators are not always 100. Indicators are not even always 90% accurate. Don't let anybody deceive you. That's why you see professionals, they have up to 4, 5, 3 different indicators on their charts. Do you understand me? That is why. And even with the 3, 4 indicators on their charts, they'll still used to, their trades most times still hit SL, and sometimes they still even used to close with loss. So you would ask yourself, how come even with all the indicators? Do you understand? So it's just to let you know that indicators are not always 100% accurate. But if you check right now, let's use this trend line, this line to monitor. If you see, it said you should sell, right? Just watch as the thing is moving. It actually sold. But if you check now, it bought. Look at it, bought to this point. Now this amount, this pips, this, if you calculate these pips, man, if you don't have a good balance, probably you sold at this part where it said you should sell, and you notice it's still selling, and maybe you didn't set. Now if you check, yeah, let's say for instance, like I was saying, you sold, and it sold to this point, and you think it's going to continue selling, and maybe you didn't add your take profit. If you check now, follow the trend line. If you check, the thing actually bought again. So now I told you I was going to tell you something about what I found out about this indicator. Now it's not to me, this indicator is not 80% accurate, but men and brethren, brothers and sisters, it has actually worked, but it's not always 100% accurate. You see this point now, if you check below now, the indicator is telling you to sell. Do you understand? If you sold at this point, now just follow this trend line. If you sold at this point, you would actually be in loss, because look at, it actually bought, but it later started selling again. Do you get? So if you are a scalper, someone that doesn't have much amount of equity, at these little pips alone might actually blow your account. Do you understand, guys? It might actually blow your account. So it is not 100% accurate, but yes, it is accurate. Guys, you know me very well that I will not lie to you. I will go straight to the point with you. I don't beat around the bush. I tell you, I prefer to help you become prosperous and successful. I'm not looking for your money. Everything here you see me do is free of charge. I prefer to help you become successful so that when you see me walking on the streets tomorrow, you can actually bless me or bless my children. Do you understand? So, but I'm going to tell you the truth, guys. There is a little I don't know how to put it. So uncertainty about this about this indicator. So I want to tell you guys something. Indicators, one thing I've noticed about indicator, first of all, you see this indicator, I will not use it. Why won't I use this indicator? Do you know why I won't use this indicator, guys? Because if you're in my free group or my VIP group, you will notice I posted a signal on BTC this afternoon. It was a sell signal. I used this indicator, but what happened? It bought. Gold bought big time. Thank God I told you all to apply proper risk management. If not, with the way BTC bought and we sold, we entered a sell through this indicator, but BTC bought. You understand? So if that will let you know that it's not 100% accurate. For me, if you ask me, guys, I won't use this indicator. But for beginners, it's okay. You can use it. For beginners, you can use it. Now, I wanted to say something. I wanted to bring something to your notice. This is the indicator I use. Let me show you. Let me go to my MT5. This is the indicator I use. Many of you may have this indicator on your chart. You may know how to set it up. But should I tell you something? It is not about knowing how to set an indicator. It's about being with that indicator for years. That's it. For a particular period of time whereby you have understood the indicator, that you know, oh, if this candlestick does like this, this is what it means. If this candlestick does like this, this is what it means. Do you understand, guys? Now, I'm not saying this indicator is not good, but before you focus and make use of this indicator, I would advise you use it for like a week or two, depending on the demo account. Do you get? On a demo account? Then when you know you have gained trust on it, you can then use it on your real account, guys. This is me being sincere with you. This is me being sincere with you, guys. So, like I said, it's working. If you follow this trend line, it's working. See, it's selling. It's actually selling. So, that is all I can say for now, guys. The indicator, for me, I rate it 60%. It's working, guys. You can actually use it. But if you are a scalper, please, if you are a scalper, don't really rely on this indicator. Except you're a long-term trader. That's what I've noticed. If you're a long-term trader, you can still rely on it. But if you're a scalper, please do not rely on this indicator. Do you understand? Because it could fail you. If you check now, it's buying. If you check now, it's buying. And there's every tendency that it can buy towards this point here. It can buy towards this point here. And just be following this trend line that I'm using. It can buy towards this point here, and it will still be showing you in the indicator that it's sell. Do you understand? Do you know how many pips it is from this part where it is right now to this point? Do you know how many pips? You can actually blow your account with these pips here. Do you understand? So and just watch, it can buy to this point and the indicator will still be telling you that it's a sell signal. So imagine you entered at this point where it is right now, where the candlestick is right now, because you're seeing from this indicator that is a sell signal, you entered the sell, and imagine it now buys to this point, because that was what happened this afternoon. This afternoon, it even bought towards this angle. Just follow this trend line that I'm moving now. Just as you can see, I hope you can see it as I'm shaking it. It bought towards this level and it's still showing a sell signal below. Do you understand? So that's what I'm saying. I won't say it's 100% accurate. I would prefer to make use of my indicators that I know of, the ones that I have proper believe and hope on than to use this. So I think I'll be doing a video on this later when I have studied it and I've discovered the trick behind it. Then I'll do another video to enlighten you guys the more. But you can still set it up, you can still use it on your trading view. Just like I said, the name is AAFLI. So that will be all. If you have questions, drop your questions in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and comment, subscribe to my channel, guys. I still remain your guy. Spirit. You guys know me that I am a very, very straightforward person. I won't lie to you guys. I always come out straight. I don't beat around the bush. I teach you what you need to know to become successful. Thank you, guys. God bless you all.